So when the water molecules, the wastewater passes through these biomass, the hydrolysis, fermentation and the methanogenesis, bacterial action, that is the bacteria is converting the organic particles into methane and carbon dioxide, and the gas is coming out. Now when the gas is coming out of this biomass, the biogas, the methane gas or the carbon dioxide gases which is formed is attached to the organic particles. It is attached to the surface of the organic particles, which is now in the form of a flock. Is it? Initially it was in the form of organic particles or suspended or colloidal particles. When it is passed through these biomass, it is converted into a flocks, or it is already decomposed by the bacteria, and these decomposed organic particles, now it is in the form of a flock, and these gases which is formed during this reaction, it is stuck to the surface of the particles, that is the flocks. And what will happen when it is attached, or it is attached to the surface of a flock? It will lift, is it? By the flock itself, it is lifted up. So when it is reaches to the top, so now here in the reactor you can see that there is two projections are there. This is called nothing but it is called deflectors. It is called deflectors. It is called deflectors. So these deflectors, it is provided along the periphery, along the container, along the side walls of the container, and when it is reaches to the top, the bubbles or the flocks along with the bubbles, it comes to the top, it will touch to the deflectors, and when it is touched to the deflector, what will happen? The gas will exhaust, is it? And the gas is separated and it is collected in the gas holder. It is collected in the gas holder. The gas is collected in the gas holder. And what will happen with the flocks which is lifted by the gas? It is by gravity, it will come to, or it will try to settle down. Is it? When the gas is released, the flock which is having a little mass, it will try to come down, or it will settle by its own gravity. It will settle by its own gravity. So now the flock will come down. So the flock will come down, the small flocks, the flocks, what will happen with the flocks? These flocks which is already lifted by the gases, is it? It's coming down. So now it is coming down, and there is a small slanting provision is here, that is a slanting slides, so that when the flocks or the bio or the organic particles which is decomposed in, now it is in the form of flock, it will be when it is settled over the top, it will now easily float down, and what will happen then? It will be coming to the top of the sludge blanket, or it will be settling at the top of the sludge blanket. So now the gas is released, and the flocks or the decomposed organic particles which is in the form of flock, it will come down by gravity and it will settle over the top of the biomass or the blanket. So that is the process. Now it is separated from the wastewater, and what will happen with the effluent? So the water is coming, or the wastewater is entering continuously, is it? It is continuously entering. So all these process is taking place continuous. Now what will happen with the effluent? So it is released through this outlet. It is released through this outlet. It is released out, and the gases will be collected in the gas holder. And now here with respect to the design, so this is the process. And now here there is a arrow is shown, and it is written here excess sludge withdrawal. That means when the sludge is thickened beyond a particular limit due to the deposition of the